Hi, my name is Plant, and I am a green plant. And first, I need sunlight and energy and photosynthesis to live. I use energy from sunlight and use it to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. There are three basic things I need to live, which are water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Let me tell you a little more about photosynthesis, which I need to live. First, it's the process by which plants and other things make food for the earth. It is an endothermic reaction, which means it takes in heat, and a chemical process that uses sunlight to turn carbon dioxide into sugars that the cell can use as energy. Plants like me, like algae, protists, and bacteria, also use it to get food. So, another cool fun fact about me is that I breathe in carbon dioxide, just like humans breathe in oxygen. I am the major source of oxygen on planet Earth and help keep all of you alive. So you can thank plants like me, because without me, humans would all be dead. So I use sunlight as energy, they get the water from rain, and get carbon dioxide from breathing. This is the process of taking these three ingredients and making them into food, which is called photosynthesis. What would life be without photosynthesis and me? Well, you may think it perfectly fine and maybe possibly even happier because you wouldn't have to learn about it in science lessons. But actually, we wouldn't have life without it. And the process of life depends upon it. Without photosynthesis, the Earth's atmosphere would lose all its oxygen and humans would be gone. So, like I said, the general gist of what happens in photosynthesis is that I trap the light from the sun to fix carbon dioxide with hydrogen and water, which makes organic compounds, which then provide food for not only myself but also animals. So, now that we know how important it is and how it starts off all our food production, you can see why we need to learn more about it in detail. Just like humans, I make up thousands of cells. Unlike animal cells, I have a special structure called chloroplast, which means where photosynthesis happens. Chloroplasts are tiny oval-shaped blobs found inside plant cells. Sometimes I only have a few chloroplasts, while others take up the whole space inside a cell. Chloroplasts have many layers. The outer layer is smooth, while the inside of the chloroplast contains several important pieces. Inside a chloroplast is a collection of sacs full of chlorophyll that float in the fluid called stroma. Well, what does it produce? Photosynthesis is important because it provides two main things, which are food and oxygen. Some of the glucose that plants produce during photosynthesis is stored in fruits and roots. This is why humans are able to eat carrots, potatoes, apples, watermelons, and all others. These foods provide energy for humans and animals. Oxygen that is produced during the photosynthesis is released into the atmosphere, and the oxygen that humans breathe and cannot live without. While also photosynthesis is very important because it provides food and oxygen, its impact on daily lives for humans are far more extensive, and photosynthesis is essential to life on Earth that most living organisms, including humans, cannot survive without. So just remember, photosynthesis is responsible for balancing oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. I absorb the carbon dioxide from the air and release the oxygen for humans during the process of it.